All right. Final question. It was just long, ne? Oh, good half that, ne? Okay, let's make it sweet for you, yabo. If you get this last question, yes, 5. So if you get this question, you get the 50 rand regards. Regardless.
Let's give it a try.
Regardless on your regardless.
Yeah, regardless.
Regardless. Okay, Richmond. Okay, so are you ready for this question?
I think I am.
All right. How many kilometers are between Imatati and Citaville?
Hi, Anamoto Papain. Thank you. I've lost.
I'm so disappointed in you.
Axolisa ukukhala phambi kwenu mphakathi lethi ngihlukumezile.
45 Ks.
45 Ks!
30.
That's your final answer.
30, between 35 and 30. Yes.
Okay. What's your final answer?
Yeah. 35. 35.
35. Hey, he tried, man. But point of order.
Point of order.
Point of order, Shay. It's a whip. It's 23.5.
But who knows that?
I do, because I'm telling you.
Because you are preparing these questions so that we can get them answers wrong.
No, kaloku ingxaki ibuza into ezukude ndibuza ngencwadi that you should know, but at least you rolling zo amtsho but angamfaki on your answer.
No,
Man.
ngifakile, but then I missed it ku J.R. Rawlings when what J.K. Rawlings. So at least I'm clued up, you see.
Okay. Okay. It's fine. Yazithethelele but ke wathi zokhwephika.
Salayo dikechini.
Okay, Jill. So he didn't get any of them. No, simple Rollins still like 50 rand.
Ouch. Vele bengafuni ukungigaya.
Remove this part.